realizing this dream of billions of Indians. The mission envisages carrying a crew of 2 to 3 Indian astronauts to low Earth orbit for a period of maximum 3 days and return them safely back to predefined place in the Indian sea waters. The safety of the astronauts is of paramount importance.
ISRO has embarked on its own human spaceflight mission that envisages a flight of 3 crew members to the low Earth orbit for a mission lasting 3 days and to bring them back safely to Earth. Safety is of paramount importance when human beings are involved in the launch. There should be a clear plan to rescue the crew in case of any exigency in any phase of the launch. The crew escape system plays a very critical role in taking the crew module a safe distance away from the launch vehicle. Crew module of Gaganyaan is where the crew members will be placed aboard. For today's launch, the crew module is however unmanned, but the mass and shape resembles the actual one. Present mission, called the TVD-1 or the first developmental flight of test vehicle, aims to attain transonic speed Mach 1.2, that is 1.2 times the speed of sound. At this point of time, the crew escape system fires. Now we will show you the integration activities that have taken place. Here's a video. Here you can see the test vehicle being fully prepared, and it is being carried to the mobile service tower for tilting and commencing the assembly operations. This is a modified and adapted version of L40 that powers GSLV as a strap-on. It has been adapted for this mission, and the equipment bay being hoisted to integrate with the test vehicle. In a separate facility, the crew module is being prepared, the parachute compartment on the top. Further, the crew module will be integrated to the structural systems in orbital module preparation facility. These are the visuals from orbital module preparation facility. The crew module is a mass and shape simulated according to the module that will be used for the actual Gaganyaan mission in future. Here you can see the apex cover being fixed.
Control system
The
profiling
crew
is
module
completed.
interface adapter and the CES interface adapter. The cylindrical shroud with grid fins being
T-minus
hoisted
7
for
minutes.
assembly over and around the crew module.
अभी आपने क्रू मॉड्यूल फेयरिंग देखा जिसमें ग्रिड फिन्स लगे हुए हैं जो ऊंचाई पर वायुगतिक स्थिरता प्रदान करेंगे। इसमें इसके बाद सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों को पायरो सिस्टम्स को तारों से जोड़ दिया गया है और अब आप देख रहे हैं ये हाई एल्टीट्यूड एस्केप मोटर है HEM मोटर जो कि एक फास्ट एक्टिंग मोटर है। इसके ही प्रज्वलन के पश्चात क्रू मॉड्यूल सहित क्रू एस्केप सिस्टम यान से पृथक होकर दूरी पर चला जाएगा। यह CES क्रू एस्केप सिस्टम ओजिव श्राउड है।
Vehicle in shared power.
Crew module all internal power.
अब क्रायो क्रू एस्केप सिस्टम को पूर्णतः आच्छादित किए हुए
T-minus
हैं।
6 minutes.
इस एनकैप्सुलेशन को ऑर्बिटल मॉड्यूल प्रिपरेशन फैसिलिटी से लाकर MST में समायोजित किया जा रहा है।
Flight coefficient
ऊपर
loading
की
started.
ओर यह CJM मोटर और LEM मोटर्स हैं।
Crew module flight loading completed.
क्रू एस्केप जेटिसनिंग मोटर इसका कार्य होगा क्रू एस्केप सिस्टम को क्रू मॉड्यूल से पृथक कर दूर ले जाना। फिर अंत में
coefficient
इसे
loading
नोज कोन
completed.
से बंद किया जा रहा है। क्रू एस्केप सिस्टम के ऊपरी भाग को MST लाया जाएगा और यान के साथ समायोजित किया जाएगा।
T-minus 5 minutes.
MC confirms radar's data.
यह पूरे कार्य पूर्ण योजना के साथ होते हैं और पूरे जांच के पश्चात MST मोबाइल सर्विस टावर को पीछे हटा दिया जाता है और यह तैयार है अपने मिशन को पूरा करने के लिए TVD-1।
The TVD-1 with the crew module and the crew escape system standing gracefully on the launch pad. We are about 4.5 minutes from the scheduled launch time. As we await, let me narrate the flight events of this mission. The TVD-1 mission from liftoff of test vehicle to touchdown of the crew module lasts for about 9 minutes. The test vehicle, being a liquid stage, is held positively
4
at the
minutes.
launch pad through a launch hold and release system LHRS until the thrust developed by the engine is adequate. The duration for this verification is 6 seconds. Liftoff takes place at T0 and coincides with LHRS release. During the thrusting
Pyro and
of
wall battery
TB,
on.
pillbox
Crew module
is
pyro
attained.
battery is on.
Pillbox is a set of
Vehicle in-
specified abort test
Vehicle in complete
conditions.
internal power.
This event is expected to take place
Onboard
close to
computer
58
flight
seconds
mode.
into flight.
Onboard
This is a
computer in flight
real-time
mode.
decision where velocity of
Crew module
Mach
on flight
1.25, flight path angle of 60 degrees and altitude close to 11 kilometers is attained. 3 events then take place in tandem in quick succession. 1. The separation of crew module and crew escape system from the test vehicle. 2. The simultaneous ignition of all the 4 high-altitude escape motors. 3. Deployment of grid
T-minus
fins
3
provided on the crew module fairing for enhanced aerodynamic stability. High-altitude escape motor burns for 2.44 seconds, generating a thrust of 1043 kilonewtons cumulative. Thereafter, coasting continues. Condition of maximum dynamic pressure is encountered in this period. The crew escape system, having completed its action, separates itself from the crew module at a predetermined time by firing CES jettisoning motor. This event takes place at 91 seconds into flight. Now the crew module is all by itself and orients itself under aerodynamics. Based on altitude and total angle of attack, command is initiated for further deceleration by separating the apex cover, giving way to subsequent parachute release. At this point of time, crew module is descending at Mach 0.55.
T minus 2 minutes.
Apex cover is decelerated with its own pair of parachutes. Drogue chute reduces the velocity of crew module from 145 meter per second to 51 meters per second. This deployment takes place at an altitude of 16.7 kilometers. Pilot parachutes then deploy, whose function it is to aid the deployment of main parachutes. These deployments take place at an altitude of 2.5 kilometers. This is a real-time decision based on altitude. In the following 236 seconds, the crew module would have slowed down to about 8.5 meters per second velocity, that is just about right for a safe touchdown. ISRO, in coordination with Indian Navy team, will recover the crew module after touchdown approximately 10 kilometers from Sriharikota coast.
अब हम उड़ान से 1 मिनट की दूरी पर
T minus 1 minute.
क्रू मॉड्यूल को बंगाल की खाड़ी में
Minus
टेक
50
डाउन के
open.
साथ उसकी लोकेशन डिटेल्स प्रेषित की जाएगी और
Minus 50 seconds. All sequences
और
down.
उससे सुरक्षित दूरी पर
Crew module pyros armed.
Minus 45
भारतीय
seconds.
नौसेना के पोत तैनात हैं।
Minus 40 seconds.
अब हम कुछ ही सेकंड्स
Minus
में
35 seconds.
प्रज्वलन देखेंगे टीवी D1 का।
Minus 30 seconds. VSPP open.
Real-time programs activated.
Minus 25 seconds. Minus 20 seconds. Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hold is observed.
यथा समय प्रज्वलन किया गया था, लेकिन फिलहाल यह होल्ड पे आ चुका है। वर्तमान में यह प्रमोशन होल्ड की स्थिति पर है।
This ROD, there is a hole. We will come back shortly.
अभी प्रमोशन को
Good morning, all of you. This is from SDSC STAR. The lift-off attempt of TVD1 could not happen today. Initially, the launch was scheduled at 8 a.m. There was a postponement of the lift-off time to 8:45 due to weather situation. And we had a very smooth ALS, the automatic launch sequence leading up to the command to lift off the engine. But the engine ignition has not happened in the nominal course. We have to find out what went wrong with that. The vehicle is safe. The entire vehicle is very safe. We will have to reach the vehicle and then look at what has happened now. We will come back soon after analyzing what has triggered the automatic launch sequence holding the vehicle. So what has happened is the onboard, the computer which is doing this function, the ground checkout computer which is doing the function has withheld the launch in view of the anomaly.